Hey guys, welcome back to Sister's World. And Sister World, we're gonna open four princesses. Yes, I got Aurora and Snow White, and Sleeping and Cinderella, and this is she got Rapunzel, and yes, my favorite is purple and blue, and mine is pink and yellow.
Okay, let's open.
I'm gonna open. Oh, there's a tape. There's a cut tape.
Okay, there's a scissor.
I've got scissor. I've got scissor. Don't even think about the scissor. Maybe just open it. I'm gonna go upside down. I got it. Give me the scissor, please, just a little bit. Give me the scissor.
You take turns.
Okay. I got a little bit of Mommy? Okay, got mine. I open my sister. We can help us, please.
Help Susing, my love.
Okay, I'll help you. Let me help you. Get this out.
Okay, what do you have, Shing?
I just have some.
Let me take a look at Rapunzel.
I got Aurora.
That's his Sleeping Beauty.
You can call him Aurora if you want.
Aurora is the name.
Yeah.
Okay, you help Susing, huh?
And Aurora got a pink brush. And mine.
You use a scissor, Shing. What do you have there, Shing?
I have Rapunzel. And I got.
Wow, Aurora looks so pretty. It's pink.
Look at her crown of this one.
Do you know how to do that, Shing?
Yes. That's the crown.
Okay, you take off the wires, Ate. Just
gonna...
like what Susing does.
Okay, take them. I don't remember. I just joking. I got wire. Careful because you're going to spike. Yeah, so spiky.
Okay, you have to be very careful with the scissor.
Yeah, because scissors and the wire because they're so spiky. There. Oh, let me get the scissor.
Maybe that's a stand.
Yeah, that's
You use a scissor, Shing.
the scissor.
There's a scissor, Shing.
Take the scissor like that.
Give me the tape. The sticky tape.
I take off mine. Yeah. A little bit of the scarf I take out. Give me some tape out. Okay, let's do that. They can use the scissors. Yeah. And there is Snow White and Cinderella. We're gonna open them only later. I love mine.
You rip the box.
Hey!
Oh, there's Aurora.
I got Aurora out of the box.
She has a glittery.
Wait, because her feet cannot move because there's a cartoon. Let me take this.
What is this?
Just
What
wait
is
there,
this?
sister.
There's a plate.
And why
Maybe this is
so
a stand.
many things? This is
There's there's a stick. I don't know what that is for.
Guys, you
Where's
know
the
what
box?
is this?
Maybe there's an instruction here.
Let me help you. Guys,
No, it does not have an instruction. So you have to figure it out. No instruction for the stand.
I know it. Some instructions here.
Here's Aurora with her glittery ball gown. Rapunzel has a purple brush. Aurora has a pink brush.
There's a brush or wait.
Hello, Rapunzel has a very long hair. Aurora has a curly hair, wavy hair.
Oh, this one has no hair.
Don't cut the hair.
I'm gonna cut hair. Yum yum.
Okay.
And why there's so many?
Then here is
Oh
Cinderella.
my gosh.
Cinderella.
Take this out carefully. Take this out. We're gonna sharp them. Now there, can we have a problem here.
Rapunzel is...
Out of the box. Okay.
Wow, look at the hair of Rapunzel. It's very long. Reaches her feet. It's as long. It reaches her feet.
Asa ako?
Rapunzel.
Yan, asa ako?
Oh, here's the brush. Hala, who cut the hair of Rapunzel?
Diana. No, it's not me.
You cut the hair. I told you to be very careful.
Sorry.
Okay, you open Snow White and
I
Cinderella.
think this is a stand.
Yeah, that's the stand. Okay, you open.
Yours. I'm gonna open mine.
Okay, you open Cinderella, Shing.
Wait, where's my stick here? Open the door. Where's my stick here? Let's get stick. Look. I don't have stick. There you go. There's yours, scissor. Stick. Stick? Where's my stick? Oh, stand.
The stick is on the box.
Yeah, yours.
It's on the box.
It's in your box.
You have not
Oh my god.
taken the...
I love
stick.
Snow White. Look at
Okay,
Snow
there's
White.
Snow White.
And
Snow
she
White
got-
has a short hair
and
with a glittery...
And she
ball
got
gown.
a blue little coat.
She has a blue comb.
That.
Just like Cinderella also has a blue comb.
And Snow White got a little handband right there. And she had blue handband.
Okay, you open, Shing. Cinderella.
And forgot it. I forgot. Wow, a beautiful crown. I've never seen this before. Now I need to brush my lips.
Okay, you open now, Cinderella.
I need a brush. Are you crazy, sister? No, I'm not crazy. You're crazy. Just share with the scissors. Oh, I can't see anything. Ow, ow. Okay. Ow. What are you doing?
You take the stand later on. Let's just open the doll. Now, let me take a look at Cinderella, Shing. Wow!
Let me take
Cinderella
the-
also has a glittery ball gown. It's blue.
And what's this?
Her gown is also shining.
And
Okay, here's a Snow White.
I can't.
And
get-
there's Cinderella.
I can borrow the scissors.
Where's the scissors? Susie has the scissors.
Oh, thank you for the
Okay, look at the house. It's a mess. So many garbage.
Don't forget the
Wow. Be?
For sure.
Cinderella has a very short hair. It's in a ponytail. And look at her necklace. It's gorgeous.
And here
And
is
Snow White has a pretty headband. Okay, you say bye-bye now.
Don't forget to subscribe and like below, guys. Bye. Forgot it. That's my.
Okay, bye-bye, Shing.
Bye.